You're watching Tom and Jerry. The funny chase scene is getting intense.
Hey, wait a minute!
And you decide to place your laptop on your lap or bed for comfort. Everything's fine until suddenly the video freezes. Then the laptop shuts off. Uh-oh, what just happened? That's your laptop saying, "I'm too hot, I need air." Now let's get to the details. You see, laptops have something called an air vent. Think of it like the nose and mouth of your laptop. It's how your laptop breathes. When you use it, it works hard and gets warm. The air vent lets the heat escape and plays in cooler air so it can keep running happily. But here's the problem. If you put your laptop on a bed, couch, blanket, or even your lap for too long, you might block the vent. That's like covering your own nose while running a race. You'd get tired and hot really fast. When the vent is blocked, heat gets trapped inside. The laptop fan spins faster, trying to cool it down, but if it can't, your laptop might slow down or shut off completely. Too much heat can even damage important parts inside, and trust me, you don't want that. So what should you do? Always place your laptop on a flat, hard surface, like a table or desk. If you really want to use it on your bed, put a tray or cooling pad under it so the air vent stays free. Absolute Kids Challenge! Go check your laptop right now. Can you find where the air vent is? Once you find it, make sure it always has space to breathe. Because a cool laptop is a happy laptop, and a happy laptop means more games, more videos, and zero sudden shutdowns.